Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today our mechanical engineering students going to discuss about our the innovation topic, prosthetic arm. That we'll see.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Abila, second year mechanical A section, SNS College of Technology. My team members Adil, Dharmidhan and Asik. My project name is Prosthetic Arm. Will be explained by Adil.
So myself Mohammad Adil, a second year mechanical engineering student. So now we're going to see a simple project made by us, prosthetic arm. So basically this arm is helpful for the person who doesn't have arm or something. Like through this it helps to helps in a several way for them without a hand. Like the name itself mentioned the prosthetic arm. We are already know about the prosthetic makeup and all. So like our skin color so if we implement it in our arm, like through the nerves, it gives the signals and it works in a proper way. So further it is discussed by Ashik.
As Adil have said about this prosthetic arm, yes, it's true that it works on the signals that our human body produces. But as we discussed before in Neuralink topics that Elon Musk have created, in our body there are several electricity, minimal amount of electricity and signals were going through, where if we go through any accident, if we lost our hand or leg anywhere, we can make it as a prosthetic arm or prosthetic hand on any part of the body that gives signal. So if our hand have been amputated, still it receives a signal. Through that signal, we can connect these wires and these integrated chips through our hand, and still that signals will be gained by this prosthetic arm and it will work as our usual arm. And why we have mentioned the name as prosthetic arm is it is in actual human skin, and the word prosthetic means artificial skin which will be touched and felt as a human skin. Further, the basic components and integrated modules will be discussed by Dharmidhan.
Hello everyone, my name is Dharmidhan.
What? So
Currently having this is a servo motor which operates the hand movements. Before learning about the total components in that, we will first discuss about the types of working of a prosthetic arm. There are three types of prosthetic arms, namely the harnesser one, the myoelectric one, and the hybrid. Harnesser one is directly attached with the shoulder. So the harnesses are attached to the shoulder. The hand moves according to the movement of the shoulder. If the shoulder raises up, the hand raises up, and shoulder raises down, hand raises down. This is the process of the harness type of prosthetic arm. The next we have myoelectric prosthetic arm. Myoelectric prosthetic arm is more accurate, more technical, and more expensive too. So myoelectric prosthetic arm works on the electric impulses produced by the muscles. Myoelectric prosthetic arms are not connected with the shoulder. It is connected with the muscles of the body part lost at that point. So there are hybrid also, which has both shoulder and the myoelectric type of prosthetic arms. So these prosthetic arms runs with the help of motors. So what we have in here is a harnesser one. These are harnesses that are going to be get connected to the shoulder, and these are the motors motors and motion sensors which convert the motion of the arms into the motion of the hand, particularly here. All the joints are made with the help of some wires with the so this is just a prototype. We have just made a prototype. The joints are replaced by the wires which we have here, and this is a very well made prototype in my opinion, and further will be continued by Ashik.
Through the basic of this prosthetic hand, which is set by Adil, and the components which is explained by Dharmidhan. Through this, it is a basic prototype that we have made, and it still works on plenty joints in this hand, where it contains multiple joints, where it can move exactly like a human's hand. Through this, if this prototype goes through a bulk supply, its cost will be gradually reduced, and it can be purchased by every middle class people who has an injury in their hand, and even we can make a prototype on a leg or any other parts, like till shoulder we can make an arm, and above thigh we can make an prosthetic body part through this kind of project. Thank you.